What are you telling me, my guy? What are you telling me? All right, I need to play this beat. Tell me if you can hear it. Can you hear it?
This guy, I can hear it. I can hear
it. Good. I just want to make sure. Bro, can I just get into it? Let me get into it because I feel like I need to let some things off my chest. Big up to everyone that's locked in, locked on. This ain't entertainment. This ain't no entertainment thing. This is about me and my blood, bro. Well, let me go into it, yeah? Because I don't know where that Tony guy is. Make sure you got your headphones on. Yeah? Make sure you got your headphones. Are you ready? Yeah? Get me. That's the yeah? Understand. Anyway, let me run the rhythm. I am a winner. And yes, I'm a Tottenham fan. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, cause I'm in the final, fam. Sometimes you gotta be alone. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe. Looking at the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. Looking like the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. I'm a winner. Yes, I'm a Tottenham fan. Where is Arsenal? Where is Arsenal? Where are all the Arsenal fans? Sometimes you gotta be alone. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe. Looking like the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. Looking at the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. Look at the dicks. Look at all these flows. Looking at these Arsenal man, them looking like some trolls. Arteta in. Arteta out. Man, them just moving like a bloody roundabout. Where are you, man? Where are you, fam? Where is that little trophy, fam? Are you second, fam? Are you feeling good? No, you're sitting there looking like some pugs, looking like some dicks, looking like some pricks. Man, them just sitting there, just trying to throw the sticks. I'm a winner. And yes, I'm a Tottenham fan. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Yes, I'm in the final, fam. Sometimes you gotta be alone. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe. All the Arsenal man, them looking like they really wanna cry. Look at all the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. I'm forever bottle jobs. Forever bottle jobs. Yeah, the fan. Man's in a final. Man is going to win a trophy. Because you, man, told me how important it is to win a trophy, fam. You get me? But you, man, let me tell you, you, man, are professionals at being second. Professional at being experts. If you want to know how to finish second, you don't need to get the Arteta handbook. The Arsenal handbook of 2019 to 2025. Yeah? Professionals at finishing second. Arsenal. Tony, you were shaking your bum. We're going to win the Champions League. We're going to beat Madrid. I told you, you were the weakest link in the last four. Goodbye. You get me? And it was light work. It was light work. Imagine, yeah? After all what you've done this season, what did you gain? You get me? What did you gain, bro? You gained nothing, bro. Let me tell you, right now, I can see from both your faces, you would rather be Spurs. When I was telling Northside at the beginning of the season, who's got a better squad, don't do this, Deji, don't go there, Dej. Don't go there, because the measure of the squad is, what did you win? Yeah? Not where did you finish, because you man like to tell me it's not about where you finished, it's about what you've won. Yeah? Well, if it's about what we've won, we're almost there, my bedroom. And let me tell you that the icing on the cake. My club, Tottenham Hotspur, 2 for the price of 1. We're gonna get that trophy, and we're gonna join you, man, in the Champions League. Hold that. So, Tony. So you lost 4 games. So what? You lost 4 games in the Prem. So what, blood? We're right there. We're right there with you, brother. We're right there with you. Let me tell you now, man, them. I need an apology from you, man.
Feels like a dream, feels like man.
Let me tell you now, man, them. I need an apology from you, man. I need you, man, to respect it. I told you, you, man, are not a serious club. When I saw that shower curtain before the game against PSG, I knew this team is truly messed up. Arteta thinks too highly of himself. Your club thinks too highly of themselves. Your fan base thinks too highly of themselves. And then, what is even getting me is why is everyone shocked? Like, what are we shocked about? We knew this was coming. Northside, you knew it was coming. So this cooking ain't really for you. But hey, Tony, in our motherland, in our country, Nigeria, they would say, "Why are you looking morosed? Why are you looking morosed, bro?" You get me? Lift up your eyes. You get me, bro? Lift up your eyes. You're looking all morosed. Woo! I swear that. Let me just run that. Let me run that intro one last time for you, man, because I need you to hear the lyrics. Hear the lyrics. Big up to everyone that's locked in, locked on. I'm just running the lyrics one last time, yeah, so you understand what I'm saying. I am a winner, and yes, I'm a Tottenham fan. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, cause I'm in the final, fam. Sometimes you gotta be alone. Yeah? Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe. Looking at the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. Looking at the Arsenal man, them looking like they wanna cry. Sometimes you gotta be alone. Yeah. Sometimes you man gotta be alone. Be alone and hold that. Be alone and hold that. I already told you, man. When Tottenham wins this Europa League, I got a 15-minute uninterrupted special. But that is just a flavor of what is to come. Please don't kill my vibe. Understand that. Please forgive me. Man, right now, today on this show, I feel alone. I swear down, I feel lonely. It's so lonely. I feel lonely, blood. I swear down. Talk to me, darlings. Talk to me.
Tony, please, you talk, because Tony, I'll be real. You're the one that said that PSG would be easy. So you can discuss this one.
Hey.
First of all, everyone down there in the chat, please just smash the like button. Yeah, smash it. Yeah, I mean, we got big P. See, I'm good guy. I'm nice guy. You know, I'm not like all these other guys. Yeah, I mean, I won't take food out of your mouth. Yeah, I would literally allow you to enjoy it. Yeah, I would allow you to just gas yourself up, to you smoke yourself up to oblivion. No problems. Congratulations. You're in the final of a major European competition. You're welcome to the party. But Deji Sports, you and all that singing here. I mean, you must be off your rocker if you think you're going to win in that final. Deji Sports. I mean, it's okay. I mean, I know you smoked the bush, yeah, but I mean, brother man, come on, my brother man. Who did you play in the semifinals? And now you're in the final. See, Deji, I know I went out, you know, against PSG. Let me talk, Deji. I allowed you talk. I allowed you talk. See, Deji Sports, I know this kind of reasoning is top shelf. It's higher than you, you know, boxing in the Champions League, you know, you're just in the Europa League. See, take it from me, if I was in the Europa League, I would have won that competition easy. Just the same way Chelsea fans are going on about, like, oh, we've already won the Conference League because there's no challenge there. I would have won that Europa League easy. But again, good luck to you when you face Manchester United in the finals. Yes. I don't think you're going to beat Manchester United in the finals. I don't think so. But they just pause with all this chest you've shown down here, with all this off your rocker stuff, yeah, that you've done here this evening, yeah. You have to win that. You have to win that competition. You have to win that competition. And you know what, people, Arsenal fans, I mean, this is where we are. This is where we are. Spurs can actually win a major European trophy. Guys, let that sink in. I mean, let that sink in.
It dawned on me that, bro, like, back in the day, you got to understand, when I was growing up, I grew up in Tottenham, bro. I grew up in a time where it was Arsenal and Man United competing for the league. I grew up in a time where Patrick Vieira was your gaffer. I grew up in a time where Thierry Henry was your striker. You had the likes of Dennis Bergkamp, Overmars, Perez, Gilberto. Do you know what I'm saying? I can keep going. You know what I mean? Tony Adams, Ian Wright. And we at Tottenham had to always look up to you. And then we had this little moment in time where we were above you. Do you get me? And then, you know, in the last couple of years, you man turned the tide. But when you man turned the tide, back in them days, Arsenal were winning FA Cups, they were winning leagues. Yeah? Maybe you didn't win Europe, but you were winning domestically 3 times and you were doing your thing in the FA Cup. Bro, like, you man legitly are a laughing stock. Because this is another season. It's like it's Groundhog Day, where you've done nothing, where you've flattered to deceive, where you pretended that you were about it, but really deep down you were never about it. To go out to PSG the way that you did, you went out with a whimper. We thought you man were going to turn it around. We thought you were going to go at their throats, but it weren't like that, bro. In the league, bro, you didn't even touch Liverpool. In the cups, bro, you didn't do jack. The domestic cups, Carabao, FA Cup, didn't do nothing, bro. So I'm looking at an Arsenal team that I'm wondering why I've been arguing with Northside, with you, with some of the... Why have I been arguing with you, man, this season?
What did you do? No, but Deji Sports, last time I checked, you were sports team. No, Deji. No, I'm not going to allow you to run away with that. Last time I checked, you're also in the Premier League. Last time I checked, you have a striker. Last time I checked, you have a potent number 10. Who creates. I mean, last time I checked, I mean, you told me, Deji Sports, you told me that you have one of the best back fours before we started the season. What are you talking about? Deji Sports, you've been bundled out of every cup game too. I mean, the same way you're going to point those knives and those guns at me, it's the same way you have to point those knives at yourself. Take a look at the mirror. In fact, you are the man on the mirror. You know what, yeah, Deji Sports, it's good and okay. I can take whatever you dish out right now. No problem. I'm in the mud. I do accept it. No shakes. But Deji Sports, you better win. Deji Sports, you better win this Europa League. You better win it. Because you know what, yeah, if you don't win this Europa League, Deji Sports, you are in big trouble. Mind you, you've almost lost about 20 games in the Premiership. You were bonded out of every cup game. You've not won any trophies. Deji Sports, what gives you the temerity to actually come and mock out Arsenal fans?